Hello, my name is Mia. I love adventures. Today is a beautiful, sunny day. I have an idea for my friends. I go to the garden. Tom, Gracie, and Liam are there. Buddy, the happy dog, is there too. Hello, everyone. Let's play a game. Tom looks at me. He wears his red cap. A game? What game? He asks. A treasure hunt, I say. I show them a small, colorful box. Gracie smiles. What is the treasure? She asks. It is a secret, I say. Close your eyes. My friends close their eyes. I take the box and I run. I hide the box behind a big green plant. I come back. Okay, I say, you can look now. Find the treasure. Everyone starts to look. It is very funny. Tom has a new machine. It is small and it goes beep, beep, beep. He walks around the garden with his machine. Gracie is quiet. She looks at the flowers and under the leaves. She is very careful. Liam has his book, but he puts it down. He looks at the ground. He walks slowly and thinks. Buddy does not think. He just runs. He is very excited. He sniffs the grass. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He sniffs the flowers. Suddenly, Buddy stops. He wags his tail. He looks at the big green plant. Woof, woof. He runs to the plant. We all follow him. Tom's machine goes beep, 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 very loud. Buddy puts his nose under a big leaf, and there it is, the small, colorful box. Buddy found it, I say. I give Buddy a big hug. We all sit down on the grass. I open the box. Inside, there are big chocolate cookies for everyone. The treasure is cookies, says Tom. He is very happy. We eat the cookies. They are delicious. I take out my camera and I take a photo of my friends, Tom, Gracie, Liam, and our hero, Buddy. We are all smiling. It is a perfect day for a treasure hunt.